Hello everybody, so today I will talk about complex number. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. cis equal to cosine x plus I sin x. I is about imaginary unit. Now we need to transform this one and this one into this one. Because the question they want to find about the product, so that means this one multiplied by this one. So 8 divided by 2, you got about number 4. So this one multiplied by this one. Next, we put about I in here because this one in here multiplied by this one and this one multiplied by this one. So we have same I in here. Plus this one multiplied by this one, so we have I square, and we have sine of 210 degrees multiplied by this one. So we know that I square equals to negative number 1. So I will put negative number 1 in here. So we can write like this. Next, we have two formulas in here. So cosine A cosine B minus sine A sine B equals to cosine A plus B. Sine A cosine B plus cosine A sine B equals to sine of A plus B. So we can apply two formulas in here. For this one, that is about this one. So this one we can use about sine of 160 degrees plus 210 degrees. The next one, this one and this one, we can apply the first formula in here. So we have cosine of 210 degrees plus 160 degrees. So for this one, we have 370. Next, 370 degrees, we can write into 360 degrees plus 10 degrees. Because 360 degrees is about 2p. 2p, that's about a full circle of trigonometry. So we can simplify this value in here into cosine 10 degrees. And now we can apply the formula in here to convert back to CIS. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.